Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyó Crying.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I start with the eyes of Pocoyó. And I color them black. Then I drew some tears under both eyes. Poor Pocoyó, what's happening with you? I draw his nose and his very sad mouth. Now I draw the shape of his head. He's wearing a hat. Finally, I draw his body. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with the skin of Pocoyó and I use this pink marker. Next, I use yellow, light blue for the tears, and finally, I use this blue marker. Amazing! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!